Guys, another playable of the day. Playable demo man. Yeah. A reminder to you all, use this playable on psych engine because it won't work on other engines like Cade engine, leather engine, and others, etc. too. And don't mind the music on the background right now that you're hearing. But here's the playable that I made. Alright, so now that I showcase this playable, now if you want a tutorial on how I made this playable, I want to see you subscribe to my channel. Let me hit 20 subscribers. Alright? Hit 20 subscribers. Because I only have about, I think 9, 10? I don't even remember, but please, give me more subscribers. So, bye. And like and subscribe.